My name's Kirk. I work here at Mertek. I've been working with Jerry since 1997. Working the mechanical design department here. We take projects from start to all the way through the design process, and we also see them through in the shop in case there's any changes that need to be done on the floor. We use SolidWorks to do our designing in, and we also use a lot of Microsoft Office for doing bill of materials and quotes and stuff like that. So I'll kind of show you through here a little design, and we issue a print to our shop. So
my name's Kevin Pedley, manufacturing manager, and I've been working with Jerry since '97. And we get our prints out up here on the printer from design, and then we're going to take these back and get them processed. A drawing from design. What I'm going to do is put a stamp on the drawing, and the stamp has who cut the material, who machined it, and who welded it if welding was required, and quality control. If we don't quality control every item, we'll try to look everything over. Then after that, after a stamp, we go back to the saws, determine what material we need to make it out of. Back up to the cut table. Whoever's doing the cutting will sort everything out. And this particular drawing is made out of mild steel, or 1018 cold roll steel. And a lot of our drawings are in millimeters, so we usually just convert them for some reason. We'll convert these. This one here is 198 millimeters long. You take 198 times 0.039375, and 198 millimeters is 7.796 inches. Nice move. There's also a hot roll plate which has like a scaly finish on it. A lot of your angle is hot roll, and kind of has a scalier finish. It's just the way they process it at the mill. We prefer cold roll. It has about a nice finish. We have two bandsaws, one miter saw that we use to cut plastic and aluminum. We have a cold saw which we use to cut plastic or steel and aluminum. We have a bandsaw. We have a shear and a blade to fabricate those shears. Different colors for different material. We've got green for 1018 cold roll, blue for 6061 aluminum, red is A2 tool steel, pink is 4143 hard, stainless is light blue, 316 stainless, 304 stainless is black, hot roll steel is orange. Some of the other ones we don't use that much of. So I just want to mark this now that I've cut it off so we know what it is. Most everybody knows what it is. On the shelf by which job number it is. This is job number, we'll call it 2560. Here the machinist take it, finish it. Once the parts come back to the machine shop, we determine if it's can be done on a standard mill or a CNC mill, depending on the complexity of the drawing. Doing some milling on the part. Manually spraying coolant on it to keep the tooling cool. We have the readout up here. Back here we have the steel parts that are ready for heat treat and or coating go up there. Down here are steel parts that get PDC only, which is a thin dense chrome plating. And then typically all the tool steel parts get heat treated. And this part here is just 1018 cold roll, it just gets a black oxide coating. Enough on the rack for a batch. We pull everything off and figure out where it has to go for plating. Pieces, 90% of our stuff gets clear anodized. It's just a protective coating on aluminum, keeps it from oxidizing. And this is a batch of 60 pieces that'll go out, various shapes, different parts, and go out to a local supplier that does some anodizing for us. And these are the drawings. We keep the drawings in a stack, the quantity, the purchase order number, and then when those parts get back from anodizing, we'll go through here, find all the parts and put them on the appropriate job shelves. This box here they're parts that are all ready for thin dense chrome plating. They'll all get sent out to a vendor in Statesville that will do the thin dense chrome plating. Once the parts come back from plating, we bring them over here, put them on the approach. Parts have been black oxided. And these are all a lot of aluminum parts that have been clear anodized. It changes the color of them a little bit. And when they start assembling, they'll grab all the drawings and start finding everything to assemble.